everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Tommy Aditya. In this video, I will tell you about the influence of communication technology on human interaction. Chapter 1, Introduction. A background. Do you find it very easy to find information and know to the internet? Or find it easy to contact someone is a different location from us? Well, we all must have felt how some sophisticated the advancement of communication technology is today. The overall progress has a very good impact on the progress of people's lives. In the following, we will outline what are the impact on society regarding advanced communication technology. Technological progress is something that we cannot avoid in this life, because technology progress will run in accordance with scientific progress. Every innovation is created to provide positive benefit for human life, providing many companies as well as a new way of doing human activities. Especially in the field of technology, people have enjoyed money benefit brought by the innovation that have been produced. However, though it was originally created to produce positive benefit, on the other hand, there are also negative things that arise. One of them is the impact of communication technology in people live in, especially in the social and cultural field, namely the difference in the personality of men and women. Many experts argue that there is a no graded portion of women who hold position of leader, both in the world of government and in the business world. Even behavioral change toward behavior that were previously the world of men are increasingly prominent. B. Problem formulation. What is communication technology? 2. What is the difference between communication technology and communication technology? 3. How has communication technology evolved over time? What are the positive impacts of communication technology? What is the psychological impact of information technology? C. Purpose of writing. Provides information of the development of communication technology. Providers of information of the benefit of communication technology or human interaction. 3. Provide information on the positive and negative impact of information technology. 4. To fulfill in the segment of the introduction to general physiology course. D. Benefit of writing. Adding insight and knowledge to reader about communication technology and Chapter 2, Result. A definition of communication technology. Human are social creatures, so human will need communication with one individual with another individual. In addition, humans also have mean to think. Therefore, from this to aspect combined into one to become a communication technology. In the context of ICT, information and communication technology, information technology and communication technology are two inseparable concept, but if the two types of the technology are defined separately, they have different definitions. It can be defined that information technology includes everything related to the process used as a tool, manipulation and management of information. Meanwhile, communication technology is everything related to the use of tools to process and transfer data from one device to another. Information technology is growing rapidly with the interaction development of computers with their supporting tools and the development of existing communication technology. Communication technology is developing rapidly with the increasing development of electronic technology, transmission system, and modulation system, so that information can be conveyed quickly and precisely. Communication technology is hardware equipment in an organizational structure that contains social values, which allow individuals to collect, process, and exchange information with other individuals. That's why each individual can search for information or data need with communication technology. In this rapidly advancing era, there are many kinds of devices or tools that can be used as communication. Many communication technologies are developing rapidly with the supporting of current technology. There are many examples of communication media that play a role in human life, such as the internet, cell phone, and gadgets such as smartphone, and so on. What's underlying something can be classified into communication technology is: 1. Communication technology can be implemented in a tool. 2. Communication technology is born out of a social, economic, and political structure. 3. Communication technology carry values derived from specific economic, social, and political structure. Communication technology increases in ability of human senses, especially the ability. B. Development of communication the technology. B. Development of communication technology from time to time. The communication technology used in ancient time was still very simple, because at that time humans were far from each other. Tools were need to convey message to others. The oldest means of communication ever practiced in signaling. The signal used are usually smoke or sound. They are deliberately created to convey a certain message, but conveying message using smoke depends on the weather. When the weather is clear, the smoke is very clear visible. When the weather is bad, the smoke is difficult to see. Finally, a new tool was invented, which was to write message and send to using pigeon. Then the latter were delivered by running and by horses. Unlike today, the development of communication technology is very rapid. Various communication media make it easy for use, refuse any message sent from anywhere. You know what is happening on the other side of the world almost at the same time. Communication technology today is the world is very and advanced rapidly. If in the 17th or 18th century, or a century still used for of physical correspondence. But in the 20th century, we can already enjoy communication that is influenced by technology. One of them is, of course, communication technology. At the beginning of the 20th century, communication tools such as the telephone, radio, faxes, and several other communication tools emerged. Along with the time, some communication tools have also developed, like the telephone, which might now be abandoned because many people have switched to cell phone. With the development of information technology, communication technology is also developing rapidly. Terms such as cyber communication technology has emerged that allow us to use new communication technology. Again, example of communication technology that as cyber of internet technology are email, chat, and so on. Communication technology like that is now used everywhere. Example of communication media from the beginning to the present. Print media, which including print media. 1. Letter mailing nowadays is very easy fast. Sending by mail has its advantages. We can write a complete detailed message. We need time to send it. 2. Newspaper, magazine, tabloid, and books. Newspaper, magazine, tabloid, and book provide knowledge about all the events happening in the world in writing, but newspaper is usually one day less because newspaper have to go through a printing and circulation process. B. Electronic media, which included electronic media. 1. Television. Television was invented by a Scotsman named John Lodge Bear in 1925. When it was first made, television was only black and white. According to the time, television is now in color. 2. Radio. Radio broadcasts are transmitted from radio transmitter station to satellite and from satellite to people's homes. There are AM radio and PM radio. Radio broadcasts can deliver news and information about events on the spot. There are radio that use electricity and some as batteries. 3. Phone. The telephone is a medium of communication that is fast enough to talk to someone we just have to message or the number of the person we will talk to. When it is connected, we can directly communicate. The telephone was invented by an American named Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. For internet. With the internet, we can find out any news to computer connected to a telephone or to a cell phone that has internet facilities. Short message service. Sending news and information via SMS can only be used if we have a mobile phone, because SMS is one of the mobile phone facilities. This SMS is only valid if both parties have a cell phone. C. Psychological impact of communication technology on human interaction. A physical from New York University, Dr. Joel Gold discovered a psychiatric disorder in individual addicted to the internet. He called it the trauma of delusion. Some other experts call it internet delusion. This behavior is like delusion disorder is general individual feel like they are being fed on talking themselves about the internet. Their minds are impressed in the virtual world. In addition to advances of high-tech communication mentioned in the previous section, there are several visual impacts, including in one, individual space increase, which is increases individual space due to obtaining information to sophisticated communication media such as the internet. People will perfect so is from a computer with internet rather than socializing with other people. The real world, thus, social space is narrow and be displaced by the individual space. 2. Social anxiety about the phenomenon increases with the existence of high-tech communication media. Information will space faster. For example, information about an avian influenza outbreak. Prior on this information, people were not afraid of communication for 3 hours. After the rapid spread of information about avian influenza, social anxiety occurred where people felt afraid consume poultry. Similarly with the tsunami in Aceh. Every time there was an earthquake in some area, people would seek information about the possibility of a tsunami. This is a sample of social anxiety caused by high-tech communication media. 3. People commercial needs are increasing as we all know that high-tech communication media will influence the audience interest and persuade the audience. Therefore, this is used by communication service companies and commercial companies, the capitalists or the consumers. 4. Criminalism increases if we see information on the television or movies about crimes will sophisticated modus. This is actually an impressing for other criminals. This process of imitating crime so is known as modeling crime behavior. Moreover, if we look at the modus operandi of crime of cyber, it seems that it is easy to commit crime assisted by the media. High-tech communication remember the cases of email, cell phone, and chat scam. 5. Fulfillment of curiosity. It is human nature to be created with extraordinary power of thought. This thinking is stimulated by great curiosity with high-tech communication media. Human curiosity about anything is answered. Everything can be searched on the internet using certain keyword. Actually, 6. Technology can reduce creativity. Technology as human tool promise a million efficiencies. Therefore, people will become lazy because of this technological advance. For example, copy paste activities and college students will become a culture of plagiarism in the future. In the end, a person creativity can seperti discussion. A positive impact of communication technology. From the example above, the development of communication technology is unstoppable. In opinion, the thing that we will get from the positive impact of the development of communication technology. 1. Change is values and attitude questions a shift in the values and attitude of the people from irrational of rational. 2. The development of science and technology. With the development of science and technology, people have become a elsewhere in their activities and encourage them to think more advanced. The existence of the change toward society more advanced, more modern, more civilized. The development of the human mindset, especially in Indonesia, become more often and not narrow-minded fanatic. 3. Better living standard, the opening of the industries, the produce of sophisticated of communication and transportation equipment in one of the efforts to reduce unemployment and improvement people living standard. 4. Information processing and its distribution to telecommunication network often have many opportunities to be utilized of various fields of human life, including education. The idea of using machine learning, simulating complex process, and amazing process. That are difficult to describe in very descriptive to learning practitioner. In addition of possibility to self-learning is not contained by time and place can also be facilitated by ICT. In language, these various jargon which the traffic began to averaging from e-book, learning, laboratory, education, library, and so on. The traffic and main electronic which is being interpreted based on digital electronic technology. The utilization of the ICT in learning in Indonesia has a long history. The initiative to organize education radio and education television broadcast in an effort to disseminate information to educational units spread to the archipelago. This is a form of awareness opportunities the ownership of technology in assisting learning process of the community. The main weakness of the educational radio and television broadcast is that there is no immediate feedback. The introduction of computer with their ability process and present multimedia so provides a new opportunity to overcome the weakness that radio and television broadcast do not have if television is only able to provide unidirectional information. Learning based on internet technology provides opportunities to interactive broadcast synchronously and asynchronously. Internet-based learning allows synchronous learning with the main advantage that the facilitator do not have to be in the same place. The utilization of the video processing technology that is run using internet technology allow learning to be anywhere as long as they are connected to a computer network. In addition to such excellent applications, several other simple cheaper opportunities can also to development in line with the progress of current communication technology development. 5. One of the useful communication technology is ebook. Ebook is one of the technologies that analyzes computer to display multimedia information in a conscious, dynamic form. In an ebook, sound, graphic, images, animation, and movies can be integrated so that the information presented the richer that's conventional books. The simplest type of ebook is one the simple transfer conventional book into an electronic from the that is displayed by a computer. With this technology, hundreds of books can be stored on one CD or compact disc, DVD or digital facility disc, or flash disc. More complex from the require more careful. These are Microsoft Encarta and Encyclopedia Britannica, which are encyclopedias in multimedia format. The multimedia format allow a book to provide not only written information but also sound, pictures, movies, and other multimedia elements. Take example of one type of music. For example, can be accompanied by sound clip, the type of music, so that user can clearly understand what the presenter meant. B. Negative impact of communication technology on human interaction. Many things and provided by technology, one of which is facilitated both the process, application of understanding and mastery in the field of education of other field in this modern era. The role of the technology is so close that it seems to be integrated into it. However, there are negative things that people something do not realize the that's the development of communication technology. Also, there's a very dangerous negative impact. People cannot decide the themselves about the fact that science and technology bring harm and misery to humans. In the young modern civilization, two of then people are stunned by the delusions of the negative impact of science and technology on the lives of making even if science and technology can reveal all the secrets of nature and life. In this not when that science and technology are synonymous with truth. This is because science and technology can only display real. Human truth must be more than just objective real. Truth must also include the element of justice. Of course, the development of communication technology does not recognize human moral. Therefore, the development of communication technology can never be a standard of truth or a solution to human problem. I think there are negative impacts that can occur from the development of communication technology. One, consumptive lifestyle in rapid development of the industry has made the supply of goods needed by the communicated abundant. That's why people are easily attracted to consume goods with many choice available. 2. Individualistic attitude. People feel the being facilitated by advanced technology makes them feel they no longer need other people in the activity, something they forget that they are social beings. 3. Westernized lifestyle. Not all Western culture is good and suitable for Indonesian negative culture. That are starting to shift original cultural children no longer spread to parent. Free life and other. Social gap in community. There are only a few individuals who can keep up with the flow of modernization and globalization. It will define the gap between individual and other individual who are segmented. This lead to social inequality. 5. The main cause of lazy attitude because of the convenience provided by technology being instantaneous, because technology present in instantaneous thing automatically affect or 6. With the intermedia, most Indonesians are affected by Facebook, and everyone free to access pornographic sites, and small to children are no exception to see what shall not be said. 7. The development of communication technology can be dangerous because it is feared that the rapid flow of information can cause the nation identity and culture to be swept away. Chapter 4. Conclusion. Based on the result of the research and discussion above, there are several conclusions that can be obtained, including communication technology in culture is developing very rapidly. It raises many positive and negative impact for human audience who never miss information on it. Actually, if all human utilize the technology properly, then the technology will bear fruit or have a good impact as well. Although in really not all individual human beings are the same. Namely, processing everything then receive properly and correctly, which will produce something positive. Apart from the given and positive impact, the screeningly modern communication technology, we should start from ourselves to think before doing something, so that everything done using communication technology can be of good benefit to everyone in addition. Communication technology used in mass media cannot be separated from human life, according to E.M. Griffin. College that nothing remains untouched by communication technology. Even MC Luhan, perspective is not the content that is important from medium, but the medium is itself itself that is more important. The importance of the medium is the message. The conclusion is the communication technology will for creation of new and better knowledge that human will have in the future. From the positive and negative that arise from the development communication technology, human in general at Indonesia society in particular should able to sort out communication technology. Not all communication technology is good to use. I did in every in every life grid there are two things. There are opposite to each other, like two sides of a coin. That's conquests of a life development. Cause good and bad. Therefore, spiritual intelligence is needed in addition to physical intelligence, so that progress and achieved by making can be harmonized and directed to the common interest and prioritized for positive result. Reference Bagus Ghazali and Textbook of Communication Psychology, Faculty of Psychology, Unair 2010. Dampak positif perkembangan teknologi komunikasi, Wasvetacom 2011 Agustus 15. Kusuma perkembangan teknologi komunikasi, psychologizone.com